Hello to all the members of Stockler. We are here for a live session at Netitel in Germany for the Grover operation. I remind everyone, Grover is one of the world leaders in high-tech product rentals. And here we are going to look at products related to audio. We have turntables, we have mixing tables, here audio recorders, there we have microphones. So we have a bit of everything here. So we'll look at these products together, all brand name products, high-end, even very high-end products that have been rented. And here we are talking about functional second-hand quality. In functional second-hand quality, you have the definition on Stockler. These are products, in this case, they are end of rental, but you have 4 additional levels of detail in offer. I encourage you to check out 2 things. I encourage you to visit the Grover page on Stockler. You have more information about the seller and the Stockler Grover partnership. And you also have more information about the sorting process, etc. When we look at the lots, you have 4 levels of information. Excuse me, I'm getting a bit lost. 4 levels of information about the products. So 1 is the packaging original and is it present? 2 are all the product accessories there. 3, the aesthetic level of the product. And 4, are there any functional defects? In this case, we are dealing with functional products. So there are no quality defects. Functional defects. If I take products we've displayed here, you have a microphone. We'll try to open it without damaging it. So here, as you can see, the original packaging. Then here you have what seems to be the stand. Here is the cable, which looks in excellent condition. There is even the cord here, an instruction manual. And you even have the product here in its original packaging with its film. And so here we see that the product is really in absolutely perfect condition. I'm checking for any impacts. Here, I don't see anything at all, only a tiny bit of dirt. Here, we have the product. And here you can tell it's been used just a little, but nothing extraordinary. So it really seems to be in very good condition, a functional second-hand product. If I take this microphone, I might have a bit of trouble opening it. It is closed, so I won't open that one. I'll open this one, for example, the audio recorder. They are all closed. Excuse me for 2 seconds. So we have here, well, in this case, we see that we have the manual, which seems complete given the number of pages here. So its packaging is completely original. We even still have the cover, which is here. We have here the battery holder at the back, and you have the product that seems to be in very good condition. We have some small scratches here. There you go. There's the product. Everything is really intact and seems to be in very good condition. So it's used, it has been utilized, but it seems to be in very good shape. And here you have the second part of the equipment. There you go, similarly, still with the cover. You have the microphones, and they seem to be in absolutely excellent condition for this product. If we open a third set, we've already opened the microphone. We might see this product. We have the original packaging. We have the instructions here. We have the product, and we have the charging cable, even with the cord. Is the product in very good condition? Yes, the product really seems to be in very good condition. Here we have small marks, but they are just fingerprints. We did have scratches, but they are really, I think you can't even see them. Very small scratches. Here, even the cushions, the stands are not even worn out. There's a product there. So here's one that's easy to open. Maybe we can look at one more here. There, it's even taped, there. And so we will look at the product years, always the quality of functional second-hand with the level of detail in the Excel file. And here we are in the audio category. There you go. Well, there we really have the product, even in its original box. Here, we're going to try to open it carefully so we don't damage it. There, now the product is complete. So there we see, so It looks really in excellent condition. There are scratches here, but you really have to look at an angle with the light to see. It's really very light. The keys aren't worn. It seems to have been rented, but not for long, or perhaps rented for a long time, but little used. You have everything here. Are there any additional accessories? I don't see any. Here is this product which will obviously be stored for sale. I wish you good bidding for this high-end audio category from Grover.